Hello guys, welcome to Good Academy. As we have discussed in our previous class about HTML introduction, HTML tags, web browsers, HTML page structure and HTML version. If you have skipped that video, I have given the link in the description. From there you can watch that video. Today we will learn about HTML editors, where you can edit your HTML documents. HTML can be edited by using professional HTML editors like Microsoft Webmatrix and other editors like Visual Studio, Brackets and other. But we believe using a simple text editor is a good way to learn HTML, like Notepad. Today we will edit our first HTML file in Notepad. So let's start. First you have to insert an note text document and rename it as index and remove that extension txt and write or replace it as .html so that it will become an HTML file. Now as you can see that it is become as an HTML file, so let's open it. Here you can see that it is now blanked, and here it shows the file path and here it shows the name. So let's edit it in Notepad. For that you have to open it as in Notepad. Now here we can write some HTML codes like document type HTML, and now here will come HTML tag and then head and then title, which will be shown on the top of your web page, like I am writing as now. As we have learned in our previous class that there are two types there are the tags are in pairs like starting and ending tags. So as the ending tag is like the starting tag but there is a slash before the tag name, so here we put an slash and then write that tag name, which is title. Now we will close the head tag as we have to close the title tag. Now there will come the body tag. In the body, as we have discussed, that there will be headings, paragraphs and other things. So here we will add an heading h1, and we can write here as my first web page. Now here we will insert another tag which is paragraph. Now we will close the body tag and then close the HTML tag. So like this you can also edit the HTML files or documents in Notepad. So what you have to do, just press Ctrl S to save this file and go to the browser in which you have opened that file. Now you can see there the file is shown as blank. As we have refreshed it, it will show the codes that you have coded in the notepad, as the title is there, Codecademy, and the heading which was my first web page, and the paragraph. So like this you can develop your web page. So it's our second class in which we have learned how to edit HTML files. So share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and we will see in the next class. So take care of yourself. Goodbye.